sanam koge johar Santal Kola official channel pahata khona joto koge sagun daram to tehin do na rat nyel sen hi lugu ona te first time mitang bolog bana hui kana to ape ko okal ka bujha ona comment madhyam te na leite to tis bolog ma bang bana hui kana first time bana hui kana to nyelabon rat nyel na le senok kana ber pada to ona kore nahi dekha ape te ko go ka te plan
kalau kenyal kale ke ada kalau pun nyalo masa kata arah tu ada dekat tu ada orang nyala ada orang dekat nyala atau tu nyala maka bisa kata pun nyala
nore kana han ito rat nyel le sena ni dei kana ar mane ke terla ala tewa kana ala sena kana
joto ko chala cabain tale
joto ko chala cawa kana to ala kana bati mena le
ala school chala la school gidra ke kalau school pun ala ya jadi ala uduk kena ala dulu kita sampai nama
ar joto ko ge na Santal Kola official nyel taun pe ar like pe
comment ona do ala pe linta bana joto ge adi
best video kam like comment kan nyol taun pe comment ate bada itu je okal ka bujek kana
nanti berbadarna rat
anam ko finally nito dan hal uduk kana na ber pada le uthek kana rat nyel na hor na mena leya to no onante penyel dalak kana ona hor tege na le senok kana ber pada chalo to nito do bon nyel lege
I know you told your friend you're not okay and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way and guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Fade away. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.